how pretty the flowers are. Oh, look at how pretty. So this is my birthday present this year, and I'm so excited because I have a tree in my backyard, which I plan on putting this on and doing target practice, and it comes with multiple sheets, so I'm so excited for that. So I can just practice and practice and practice. An arm guard, and I had to put the bow together right there, and then all of my arrows are in the quiver. I'm so excited for this. So I am going to be the most responsible bow and arrow archery kit, whatever you want to call it, owner, and I've been doing a lot of research since I got this. I know that I cannot store it strung with the string on it. You have to store it apart because then it'll just have like the tension on it always. So I'm getting more and more comfortable with my bow. Like, I just got it and I want to make sure I'm 100% comfortable with it. So I've been like stringing it, unstringing it, and doing it over and over again just to make sure that I have no fear of the bow. Because sometimes I get very anxious that the bow or the string is going to snap and hit me, because I played violin and viola and stuff, and string instruments always terrified me when I was tuning them, and I just heard horror stories. But so far it's been a really easy process. I'm just getting more and more familiar with the bow, and when I have a good day and something to put behind the targets against the tree, then I will go and I'll do target practice. But I need something to go behind my targets, because if the paper is right up against the tree, it could shatter or damage my arrows, and that's not something I want. And I just got the arrows too, so I'm very excited. My family was a bit upset because when I asked for a bow and arrow for my birthday, they thought that my mom was gonna get me like a toy plastic one, but no, this is the full-on bow and arrow, and I'm so excited. And this is the knock, everything goes, and I came in pieces and I had to put it together. It's really simple, really easy, can be done in like less than 5 minutes. It comes with everything you need. I'm just excited to get my target practice going. I'm very excited about this. If you can't tell, I'm very excited about this. So I'm gonna string this now. I've been trying to do it at least like a few times a day to also get the instrument, flexing, because this is a brand new set, so it needs to flex as well, and I'm gonna be more comfortable with that. So I'm gonna string it up now. And there's my bow all strung up, and the flex is right there, and I'm super excited. I'm so excited. Look. So here's the bow all strung up. I don't know if you can see it in the sunlight. There's a lot of sun today. It would be a great day for shooting, but I want to like get some hay or something to put between the paper and the tree for my target practice. I'm so excited.